working 22 hours a day is not correct because you have to balance the condition, the value, the quality of your existence with the purpose for which it exists. So if you're putting in 22 hours a day just in getting your existence comfortable, when are you going to attend to the purpose and the meaning and the value of that existence? So you've got to balance your time with getting rich and knowing what to do with it. You're spending all your time getting rich, and where's it going? Some rabbi asked one of his congregants, "Do you have time to study?" He said, "No, I have no time to study. I have to work, I have to make a living." He said, "Why?" He says, "To send my kid to yeshiva." So the rabbi said, "You know, everyone I ask tells me the same thing. Who is this kid that everyone is trying to send to yeshiva?" And when that kid grows up, is he going to come and tell me that he's too busy to study because he has to send his kid to yeshiva? When are we going to get to the punchline? So if everybody is working full time to make it possible to go to yeshiva and nobody actually goes, what are we doing? So you make your life, your existence better. You establish yourself comfortably so that you can live a life. But then you have no time for it because you put 22 hours into it. Where is your life? Where is that happening? And in very simple language, you put in a long day at work and then you come home. What is home to you? A break from life? This is where you can collapse and chill out? Or when you come home, this is where your life happens. At work, that's where your existence takes shape. So if you don't have time and energy and interest in the life because you're putting 22 hours into the existence, you're going to get depressed.
Partner with Rabbi Friedman. Visit itsgoodtoknow.org/support.